Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chance Gonnam here. This is a morning call I do every single morning for my team. So this is a live recording. If you are watching the recording, you are going to still get some value from this. You're going to see what we're looking at in the charts this week, and you'll see how we made some profits last night. But with all that being said, let's get started. So we're going to share the screen right here. Present to everyone. All right. So here we go. So the news last night was somewhat of a dud. We traded this. It was not a whole lot of movement. But you can see there's nothing else today. No other news. So I'm gonna start out with going through the harmonic scanner because this thing has been calling out some gems, some amazing trades. So I'm gonna try to go through here, click and see if anything. You can see that already broke out, already was up. It's already up 20 some pips, so I'm not really looking to enter that one yet. Um, you can see this one already hit take profit 3. So I just got to scan through these, kind of see if any are new. Nope, looks like that one failed. ZDJPY, you're okay. You can see this one already hit take profit 3. So it doesn't look like there's any brand new ones that I'm seeing right now. AJ, let's see, GA. Ooh, so this one actually might be uh just kind of playing up there. It hasn't really totally failed because I don't use the stop loss. The stop loss is irrelevant to me. So let's look at GBP AUD real quick and we'll come back to UJ. GBP AUD. Let's check it out. So, ooh, I have this marked up right here for the sell actually. So it already bounced off that. Let me go to the daily. See what we got here. So we have market highs right here, trend lines. So it looks good. Drop it down. You can see it bounce right off this line I had drawn. I don't know when I drew this. I think I was trading it back here. So I don't know when this I wish I was watching this. It came up and touched perfectly. So I mean, you're still looking at a 50 pip stop loss if you want to be safe right now. So it's a little bit into the move. But you can see it did follow my markups perfectly. So I wish I was still watching this pair. But can't watch them all. That's kind of the point of what I do with keeping only a few pairs. It's important to not over trade pairs. So sometimes we're gonna miss trades because of it, but it is all good. So what I'm looking for here is I'm gonna trap price. Trapping price. And this is really just the same. So what I'm looking for if we're gonna get this sell here is a break, retest, go. So watch for this on GBP AUD breaking the 74.75 mark. Wait for it to break that, and hopefully, let's see if it gives us an entry right out here. You can slim that stop loss to like 20 some pips. So that will be a good looking trade once it goes and makes its move and gives us an actual break. So let's head back to the charts, the main charts we're trading. So we're on UJ right now. You can see some craziness happened yesterday with UJ News, but I do think it's kind of settling down now. And I'm looking for a buy because if you check this out on the 4-hour, you can see it's touching this trend line right here. Finishing off kind of a double touch on it. So I think it could be confirming for the buy is my opinion right here. It did close wick. Let's see what it would be. What would a stop loss have to look like on this bad boy right now? Oh, it's really not bad. Not bad, 33 pips. We're looking at 60 plus because I mean, if it bounces properly, So if it bounces properly off this, I mean, you got a potential of 250 plus pips. So this could be a week-long trade. Let's see if we can find the entry in here. See if this is at an entry spot right now. I mean, this is a floor here. It's struggling on it hard, but it's kind of like it's more of a break retest, in my opinion. Just more of a floor here, and then a retest here, break, retest. So I don't like it right now. On the 15, it doesn't look like a buy yet. So I'm gonna wait for it to reverse on the 15, and this is only gonna give me more, better entries and everything. So if I can wait for it to push down to here and put my stop loss more or less at, like, 20 pips or less on UJ, I like this a lot more. So it's got to come down 12 more pips. I'm going to wait for this to come down 12 pips on UJ. It's already at 10. And then look for that buy on UJ. Make sure it struggles a little bit. Once it pushes down, it doesn't just keep going straight through. But we should be looking for a buy on UJ here soon. Yo, so here's Euro USD. We entered the sell right here last night. Hit here, got another stack and entry. Took out a lot of some profits down here. And then you can see it came back up. I had a stop profit right here. So I hit my stop profit last night. All good on that. This is where my first stop profit was. But yeah, so this line's now irrelevant. It's broke that. This is zone has proven practically irrelevant now. So it's kind of broke through there. This trend line though is still good, and so is this one. So I I would still say that this is gonna look for another short. But we'll see if UJ is gonna be taking off. Hopefully that means Euro USD is gonna be taking down. So if we're looking for that 12 pip push again, it could be just waiting for it to get up to this line again. Hopping in here with, I mean, small stop loss of like 13 some pips, and then taking this ride back down like we did yesterday. So I'm gonna be looking for that on Euro USD. Then Euro JPY is breaking, retesting this zone right now. But what I want to see is I want to see it get down under this before I'm making any trades. I want it to get under this level. I like Euro USD and USD JPY trades way more right now. You can see this is pushing down heavy. It's kind of 8 pips right now. Let's see. If we were to enter here, we could get away with a 20 pip stop loss. I'm just thinking because it is more or less retouching the spot right here. And this might be that level that it's going to bounce off of and not come all the way down. So that's kind of what I'm checking right here. Is I'm just kind of seeing where I could get away with a stop loss. It would kind of have to be right here, 27 pips. So I'm not really loving it. We still have, I'm not going to enter till this is up, till 19 minutes is up. Actually, I lied. So this is up 24 minutes. So I'm going to give this thing 24 minutes, see what happens, see where the market goes, how the market respects. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. UJ is going to be the trade. If you want to enter now, it's a 27 pip stop loss. I'm going to wait for one more push down, hopefully, and get a little bit better entry. Euro USD shaping up for the sell. Same. It's the same trade, guys. It's the same trade. So just choose one, and you can put the trade on it. No need to double stack in trades on Euro USD and USD JPY. So pick one, stick with it, whatever you're going to trade. Personally, I'm thinking about trading UJ. But they both look good. They both have nice little setups. This would make sense for this to turn around at this level again. Very strong reversal zone. So with that being said, guys, thank you everyone for hopping on. We are done with the training. Hopefully you guys are ready to make some pips on these UJ, especially. I think is going to be a nice buy setup here. Like I said, if you want to get in now, go for it. If not, just wait for a little bit more push down and get a little smaller stop loss. So it's up to you guys on where you want to enter and how you want to get into it. But with that being said, thank you everyone for tuning in. Everyone who's watching the recording, thank you very much. If you want to learn how to be on these live rooms and get in these live, make sure you message me on Facebook or check out what we got down below on the 90-day game plan. Last thing, everyone on here, please go over and subscribe to the channel. Would mean a lot to me. Just trying to build this subscriber list to help bring more content. So we're going to keep this up. We'll see you all next week.